Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're delving into the realm of smart home security with the Philips Hue Secure Smart Contact Sensor. This nifty device promises to add an extra layer of protection to your home, and we're here to explore its features and functionality. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about what comes in the box. With the Philips Hue Secure Smart Contact Sensor, you'll receive one white sensor unit. Simple and straightforward. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, it's important to note that this device requires a Hue bridge to function. Once you have that set up, you're ready to go. Installation is a breeze thanks to the adhesive backing included with the sensor. You can place it on doors, windows, cabinets, safes, and more. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about control. You can arm and disarm the sensor right from the Hue app on your mobile device. Plus, you'll receive real-time alerts whenever the sensor is triggered. It's peace of mind in the palm of your hand. But wait, there's more. The Philips Hue Secure Smart Contact Sensor isn't just about security, it's also about convenience. You can automate your lights to turn on when the sensor is triggered. No more stumbling around in the dark. In summary, the Philips Hue Secure Smart Contact Sensor is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their home security and automation setup. Easy to install, seamless app control, and versatile functionality make it a standout choice in the world of smart home devices. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, stay safe and keep innovating.